You know what's going on. Hey, what vlog number is this, bro?
This is vlog number 300.
Bang, bang. You know what's going on. We out here rehearsal. Yo, we got booked today. Booked at Commonwealth.
You're probably not gonna see this till it's too late, but we played 10 to 11.
Yeah.
So.
And it's our 4-year anniversary, by the way.
Yes, we've been friends for 4 years today. Yeah. We met at a Riff Raff concert.
On some gang shit. Remember that little white boy, bro, that was so turnt?
Yeah.
He was so turnt. Everyone was like flat and he was just jumping.
And he like fell over.
Low key fell over. But anyways, yeah. We're here with Scotty Chickens. He's not here yet. We're over here at the MGV Entertainment Rehearsal Studios. I don't know. It's only his 3rd day out here.
It's only my 3rd day out here. It's only our 4th year out here.
Yeah, it's only. But yeah, we're gonna show you what's going on today. We're gonna show you some rehearsal, some of the Commonwealth, some
gang shit going on.
A bunch of gang shit. You know what's going on. You're
22 years and I'm still upset. You can tell the old heads that I'm up next. If I must confess, I'm a cold compressed. I just hope that this king stuff come with a vest. Yes, bulletproof windows, crew with extendo clips. So we finna go get to the point.
Out my way. Yeah.
You sound like we got an opportunity to get.
Hey.
We trying to see 100 bands in our thing.
I just feel like I can snap way harder than Richie Kid. I know y'all got that on camera. Made an ugly face. You know what I'm saying? I can snap harder than Rich.
And they be flexing on Henny bottles. What we flexing on, bro?
Flexing on real waters, baby.
Whoa.
There was like a story.
It's your 3rd day out here with hella water, bro.
It's only my 3rd day hydrated out here.
When the tape coming out, bro? What tape? Oh, the tape.
Alright, check it out. July 12th, check it out. Scoopity poop dot woot wop.
When the tape dropping, bro?
You know what I'm saying?
To the left.
On the 31st of February.
That's it?
Yeah, the 31st of February. In February. There's only 29 days of February.
I'm off 10 Zans, bro. My bad.
I'm off 10 Zans. I'm about to go do 10 perks. That's why I'm drinking water.
Real water. Drink real water when you do drugs. It'll save you.
You know we out here.
Yo, we out here. We're out here in Palmdale, on our way to Sacramento for the 03 Greedo show. Shout out my man Scotty Chickens. We're about to blow this bitch up, low key. Yo, low key.
Shout out Pookie, shout out Nene.
Hey, low key, ISIS fell off. I'm just gonna.
ISIS hella fell off, but they haven't dropped shit in minutes, bro.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say that real quick. But hey, we about to be out here. We're about to show y'all. It's low key a little chilly out here, but I'm gonna enjoy it because Vegas has been too hot lately. My AC feels like a fan. It's crazy out here, but it's about to be a nice trip. Let's get it. You want to hit this or what? Good little kid, bro. Yo, so we're out here in buttfuck Egypt. We have no idea where we're at right now. But this new Kazi Chase. Slap. It's gonna be out.
Fucking ready, bro.
But y'all ain't ready. We're putting the final touches right now. It's fucking Wednesday, 2013.
Look at those files.
Just kidding.
Shout out Kazi.
Yeah, shout out Kazi. Shout out DMG Studios, you dig?
Shout out Pookie, shout out Nene.
You're. Yo, you know what's going on? We're out here in Stockton, California. About to head over to the 03 Greedo show with Scotty Chickens. We're about to fucking blow this bitch up. You're gonna see some fucking clips. My man Recipe Films behind the cameras. You know this clip about to be fire as hell. So don't at me. Y'all got my man Angel out here. You know what the fuck going on. It was his third day out here. You know what's going on. You're
about to fuck shit up tonight.
Yo, subscribe to the Recipe Films. You know what the fuck going on. You know what's going on. ScottyChickens.net. All that shit. Lit.
Yeah, speak it into existence, bro. It is.
What you drinking on?
Real water. I used to say Aquafina on my wrist, but then this happened. Water.
How much go take me a trip? Ayy, how much go call me a whip? Yeah, all of the money I spent. Go yard on my waist. Ayy, turned up in the spot. Ayy, backwood to my face. Ayy, designer still in the box. Yeah, leave your girl like a leg. Ayy, how much go take me a trip? Ayy, how much go call me a whip? Ayy, all of the money I spent. Yeah, go yard on my waist. Turned up in the spot. Yeah, backwood to my face. Yeah.
I pull back, then I let my arms swing. The ratchet guy, yes, Mr. One. I throw it up and let my other hand hang. Wipe the sweat off my head, watch me do my thing. Go ahead, nigga, get off. Go ahead, nigga, get off. That's what they call me, nigga. The ratchet guy, throw it in the air, watch me knock it out the park. She got a banger shit, cool little bro, but I'm not gon' cuff, cause that's not my job. Nigga, I spent 4 on the ring. Finna get off, nigga, give me 10 feet. She put her hands on her knees. If her booty get the bounce, you can blame it on me. She get wet when she see me, like she hopped in the pool with no bikini. Don't make a struggle, yeah, I'm finna get off. You can see me hop in, hop out, yeah, something like a genie. Go ahead, nigga, get off. Go ahead, nigga, get off. That's what they call me, nigga. The ratchet guy.
Drink under the leader, bitch, I'm tight, keep my heater. Play with sticks like Derek Jeter. In my city, I'm the reaper.
Look at all those chickens.
I'm bustin' no tussling. That bitch a eater, that ain't for discussion. She bustin' and gushing. She drippin' and moonin' when I get the fucking fool nigga sip on nothing but talking. Recipes a little pig. See my teeth, diamonds blink. And I'm putting it in supreme. She a show. She gon' put the whole team. You want smoke? Ain't for show. We gon'
Yeah, record him. Drink it all. Go. No. Yo, what's good, guys? So before we end the vlog officially, I just want to let you guys know that there's merch available at officialdjar.com, and you can find it there. There's a couple sizes left, but let me know. Message me or just order online and we'll get it to you. Alright guys, so I'm currently at Dutch Bros, and man, what a vlog. I got to start off the Golden Tour on this vlog. We were in Sacramento and made our way back to Las Vegas for the Jam Nation Block Party rave. It was honestly, it was so much fun. It was great. I had lots of fun. Shout out Scotty Chickens, shout out The Recipe, shout out Obster, man. Shout out my man Angel TFC that's always on the road with me and helping me out with all the filming and everything. And most important, thank you guys for watching. And honestly, I have a new goal. I am trying to get this YouTube channel really, you know, up there, and you know, really up there, and build it from the ground up. So if you really enjoy what you're, you know, watching, the content you're looking at, man, share, like, comment. Let's be interactive. I love interacting with new people as well as people I already know. It's just cool. It's fun, you know. Let's roast, man. Let's do everything. You know, I'm just here to have some fun. I'm just trying to document, you know, things I do in my daily life. And thank you guys once again for watching and supporting. I know it's small right now, but we'll get there. Well, trust me, we will get there. It all takes time. It's patience. Let's do this right. Let's do this genuinely, and trust me, we can make some stuff work.